Today you'll find a slope and y-intercept when the equation is in slope and intercept form. The work is IXL, grade 10, L5. The equation in this form is in slope-intercept form because, as you know from previous lessons, the slope is represented by the letter m. So any number that's in front of the letter x is the slope, and the number at the end of the equation is the y-intercept, where the equation of the line crosses the y-axis. So, for example, if I write the equation y equals 2x plus 4, the slope of the line will be 2, and the y-intercept will be 4. In this example, the slope of the line is 3, and the y-intercept is 4. Remember to include the sign in front of the number because that tells you the slope is positive 4. In the next example, the slope is the number in front of the x, so the slope is negative 2. Remember to include the sign with a number, and the y-intercept, the place where the line crosses the y-axis, is negative 5. Again, remember to use the sign in front of the number when you figure out your answer. Some examples from IXL might look like: find the y-intercept of the following equation. The y-intercept is the last number in the equation. Remember to include the sign, so the y-intercept in this answer is negative 10. Another example from IXL, it says find the slope of the line. The slope is the number in front of the x. You can see here the number in front of the x is 9 divided by 5, so the slope for this question is 9/5. In the last example, it asks us to find the slope of the line. We know the slope is the number in front of the x, so the slope is negative 1/2. So remember to include the sign that goes with the number, and if it's not negative, make sure you include the negative sign with the numerator or the top number. So in summary, when you see an equation y equals mx plus b, it's in slope-intercept form. The m is the slope, and the b at the end of the equation is the y-intercept, or where the equation crosses the y-axis. Your work for today is in IXL, grade 10, L5.